we're going to bring the tractor over and run some of the disc harrows so they can start transplanting in the area that's not tilled.
Okay, and this is day one.
Day one. Everyone's learning together, and it's doing really well. We have about half of this lower field tilled, which is, I would guess, about between 5 and 7 acres. But the guys have been great, and I'm really excited that I can be hands-on helping, as you can see.
All the institutions in town, the universities in town here, send their students to come and learn from us. So like that guy is a student from a local university. So he has come for his practicals. He'll be here for 2 weeks. And then others come for a month. And others come for 2 months. Simply because the institutions don't have a practical ground. So all they teach is theory. So when they come here, this is where they come and learn. Even the professors come and learn the practical way of doing things.
We don't have any other farming agricultural land to use.
We are in Bunia's outskirts, the suburbs. And this is just like 6 kilometers, but 9-10 kilometers from the city center, in those hills where those trees, it's not safe. It's not safe areas, so rebel activities take places in those areas. So people used to live in those areas, but now all of them had to come into town and the suburbs.
And the farm is on the other side of it.
Yes, the farm is on the other side of the hill. This is where every cent you donate goes to.
There's a lot going on.
Yeah. So we are very grateful. Yeah.